All right, step one, here's what we're gonna do. Take the sausage. We're going to cut them and remove the meat from the casing.
You remember the casing?
Yes, sir.
You ever tape by my Uncle Wally?
Nope.
Uncle Wally Delao was my mom's brother, younger brother. Is he the youngest? Yeah, you're the youngest. But make a little ball like that. Pinch off. Like, so Uncle Wally used to drink all the time, but it's okay. When you're a kid, you don't care. you just think everybody's cool. Uncle Wally used to walk around with a bag of, he used to walk around in his pocket. He would have firecrackers.
Okay.
And have a little cigarette dangling out.
Yeah.
Kind like that.
No.
What am I?
Look at this, look at this.
Well, yeah. I was trying not to compact them too much. So Uncle Wally had a cigarette dangling out. And you look around and just stick one up. Throw it.
At who?
At people's feet. And Grandma used to get mad because he'd do it in the house.
So now we're taking the sausage roll and we're adding some sage. You can use basil, Dad. Thyme. Pretty much anything that you want.
Too strong for your senses? I don't know.
Do you have a microplane by any chance?
Oh, what?
Got a little grater.
I do have a grater.
Next step. So yeah, this, my father, is nutmeg. Here you go.
Medium.
Show the camera. Pretty cool. Okay. We're good.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
For the English mustard. Okay, so give it a good shake.
This here, so that's
It's good. It's good. All right. Now, usually this stuff is pretty powerful, right?
Mm-hmm.
But with the sage and with the sausage and with the nutmeg, it's gonna make it pretty good. However much you can get off that one spoon is enough.
And here and here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, do you have eggs?
I do.
Okay, we need to make an egg wash. Crack it in.
Oh, really? Okay.
And we're gonna scramble it up. I like how you switch sides because you know I was trying to film it.
Sorry.
Give it a good whip up. Yeah, more vigorous. Man.
That's pretty vigorous.
How fast can you really go?
I'm stirring a margarita.
Yeah, staring at it, you're whipping. Look, hold this thing. So you gotta lift up and down. I can't do it for myself. See?
Yeah.
Make some bubbles up in there.
What's the dog messing with? Plastic or something. Maybe it's in the other drawer.
Yep. Alright. Only on one side, obviously.
On the way across?
From corner to corner, on that little rectangle. From there to there.
What's the egg wash gonna do for this?
It's got egg like a glue.
Mm.
Keep it sealed. We're good. Ooh, whoa, these techniques. Yeah, so then go grab those two corners.
Yeah.
And we're gonna fold them over like so.
All the way to
the way to the other corners, yeah. Okay, press it down. Now we're gonna get a fork and we're gonna go ahead and press. Yes, but it's gonna, give me some just like that, right? And what he's doing is sealing the pastry, that way the pork fat can come around and stay sealed in there, flavoring all the pastry, frying the sage, and whenever the hot mustard begins to seep down, it doesn't drain all over your pan, it stays inside. Okay, now we're gonna take the egg wash and we're gonna brush the top, and what that's gonna do is gonna add some color to this here pastry. And the seams and everything. Anywhere we want color, we gotta make sure we do that. Yeah, this is gonna give it a nice brown. Sesame seeds.
Yep.
All right, so go ahead and get yourself a nice little pinch. Add a nice little texture to it.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's go ahead and transfer this guy over to some parchment paper. That way we can prep our next one. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, something we forgot to do. Good to go? Mm-hmm. All right.
Spatula.
Now you might need to use two. You got it? All right, now time for the fun part. This right here is the traditional English version.
Yeah.
I want to go ahead and make one a la
Nieto. Roll that bad boy.
Now, I'm thinking we have Italian sausage, right?
Yeah.
We have, check this out. Look at this.
Mozzarella cheese.
Yeah. So I'm thinking we'll use some sausage down the middle like we did before. Put some mozzarella.
Okay.
We also have some pepperoni.
Pepperoni be good. Also have some chorizo.
Ooh.
How long does chorizo last?
I mean, it's cured, so it should last for a good while. How long have you had that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a time. How long?
I don't know. It's good.
So walk me through this one. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking that we put two side by side. Well, so we get them just big logs.
Okay. I'm just gonna speed this shot up. Now we use sage on the traditional English one, but if we use basil for our more Italian-inspired one,
We'll do that.
we have freeze-dried basil. It is an herb, dried or not. Just like before, we're keeping the same steps. In that right, August?
Basil.
Yes. Okay, it's not too crazy, but we need to do some here. Now, last time we used nutmeg, I'm thinking we use a different seasoning. How about we use some paprika?
Paprika.
Bring out that smoky flavor. A little sprinkle.
A little dusting.
It goes in the oven.
Okay.
Feel good?
All right. Looking good. We're gonna take some sun-dried tomatoes, slice them up. Is that enough?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's good. You know what I'm thinking? We pour a little of that nice infused oil. Just like a little bit, you know? At the end over the mozzarella. What do you think about that idea?
Can't hurt.
Okay, we still have the sausage, the pepperoni, and the mozzarella.
Right.
So,
I can slice off some slices and just put them on top.
yeah, and I'm thinking the thinner the better, right?
Yeah.
So this is Spanish chorizo. It's cured. It's not like Mexican chorizo. See how it stays together? Almost looks like pepperoni, but you can see all that spice in there. Can you go any thinner? Like this next slice, make it as thin as you've ever made something. Look at that, Dad.
How's that?
That's more like it.
Okay, you want me to go back to stock?
No, you can't.
But I can do this.
Ooh, I love how you're layering them.
Cool. Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, have a slice.
Oh, that's the thin one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's start with this. See what we got. Kind of a stacked flavor.
This is sausage roll Ala Nieto.
Taste?
Yes.
Man, can't go wrong with this.
Mm-mm.
Look how it'll kick to it.
Ooh.
Did it?
It does. Goodness. So go ahead and pop it out of the bag. And you'll notice that it's going to come off in like little leaves, like when you pop it out.
What do you mean pop it like this?
Yeah. It's a big ball.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So use your thumb, kind of peel back, kind of like you're spreading it. And you'll start to see where the natural seams of it is. Now rip off a piece like right here. You're going to pull it. You see?
Oh, yeah.
Taste it.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm. How thick should this stuff be?
Oh, as thick as wanted. Yeah, and then we'll layer this guy on here. Take these out. Yeah, so we're gonna remove these and be pretty generous with this mozzarella.
That's pretty good stuff.
I think we gotta go ahead and give a piece to the dog.
Hey, little buddy.
Watch his fingers.
He loves cooking. Well, he really likes to watch cooking.
So we're about done. Let's start going, capping it off with our little, this is a monster.
Boy, one end goes a long way.
Let's go ahead and flip this.
This comes over this way, right?
Yes, sir. All the way to the corners. You gotta stretch it.
But how do I do that? Pull it out?
Just like you did before, then.
I don't know how I did it before.
If it rolls a little, rolls a little.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Tiny burrito. As far as my little tines go?
What'd you call it?
4 tines.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to fact check that one.
Doubt the dad?
I believe you believe it for sure. But in our last cooking video together, they gave us the classic.
And the cheese. I think it represents the blood.
Oh. Hey, well.
Now this one, here's what I'm thinking. We take a little sage, sprinkle it on the outside, let the sage toast up real nice. Did you ever cook with Grandpa? Did you have any cooking memories with your dad?
Yeah. Dad always burned the barbecue. Everybody kind of knew it, but we just accepted that's the way it was. I didn't realize barbecue wasn't crunchy until I was like 45. Yeah. Every weekend we'd have brisket, ribs, chicken, something like that. Every weekend. Didn't matter. Barbecued all the time. I didn't realize it was time. It was like, that's a quick way to feed a lot of people.
Yeah, and there were a lot of you guys, right?
Mm-hmm. What are you thinking?
It was pretty good.
All right.
And we're gonna want to like give some space, you know. All right, let's go ahead and open up the oven. Now, whoa, real quick. You have Crocs on?
I do.
We're good to go then.
My dress Crocs. And they go.
And they go. High five. So you all freshened up.
Somewhat. Like my shirt.
What does it say?
Living the vida broca.
Say that one more time.
Living the vida broca.
Living la vida broca.
Smells great. Ooh. Man. The Nieto one we can tell is typical.
Let's pull it out.
Okay. Wow. That's good. What do we need?
Do you have a serrated knife? Look at the sage crisping up real nice. Ooh, look at that. Feel how crispy that sage is. Listen. You hear that?
Yep.
Yeah, just this one.
This one. All right. In the middle, and then we'll
and then we're gonna open it up. That way we see the layers. Ooh, give us a little slide through in part.
All right, here we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the air pockets. Buttery. It's nice. Yeah, the traditional with the sage, the nutmeg, and the mustard, and the Ala Nieto with the sausage, the pepperoni, the mozzarella, sun-dried tomatoes, and the Spanish chorizo. I have your 2 test samples here.
Okay.
Ready to go. Which one are you trying first?
The English.
The English one. Okay.
What has a kick to it? Something has a kick
It's
to
the
it.
English mustard.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go do this concoction that you and I did.
The sausage roll Ala Nieto.
I see.
What are you thinking?
Definitely has an Italian flair to it.
Get some of the mozzarella though.
I did. Oh, I haven't. Draw off a piece here.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm.
I think we made something good here, Dad.
Yeah.
That's an original. I've never made that one before.
Very good. Very good. The mozzarella really brings everything together. It's almost like a calzone, but not exactly.
But the lightness of the crust.
Yeah, without having to be so heavy.
Yeah, right? Yeah, we can definitely do this at a party, make some up the night before, pop them in, cut in some little slices.
Oh, that's a great idea.
I'm gonna give some of the dog, see what she thinks.
It's been waiting there patiently. Almost lost a finger.
All right, Dad. Let's go enjoy our meal.
There you go. Thank you.
No problem.